Good morning, traders, and welcome to the weekly Elliott Wave Street Wave Count Update. In this video, you are going to see some of our favorite instruments for the week. Of course, you can visit ElliottWaveStreet.com to find out more about our membership, about our fantastic trading course. Alright, let's start with the euro. The euro is one of the favorites for this week. It started to move higher during the London session, and this is the first leg up. This is the wave 1, and we are going to wait for the retrace, wave 2, and we're going to jump into the trade back to the high. And here we have a great question regarding about the entries. Do you think that triggering a buy trade on the euro right now is a good idea? Well, the price can continue higher. That's right, we've been seeing movements like that the price just makes a small retrace and continues. But if you check the charts, most of the retrace after the move up are going to be deeper than that. And if you buy the euro right now, the stop loss should be below the low, and this is a huge risk. But what if we wait for the retrace? And then, let's say we have a deep one, and then we can buy at the reversal here when it does something else like a double bottom or an inverted head and shoulders or something interesting right there. We can buy it, and we can target the previous high. First target, second target here, and the stop will be just here. So this will be the risk. That's different. You see that? It's different trading like this rather than taking huge risks. Yeah, sometimes we're able to trigger the trade at the end of the move, and we are able to jump into the bullish move. But some other times is going to be more tricky. You know, will require more work or patience to be in the trade. So waiting for the leg up. Now let's have a look at the S&P. On the S&P, I want you to see something interesting. When we are in an impulsive leg, the price is going to move like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see this is strong wave 3. That's when you see at the wave 3 something really strong, something really unusual, something really fast. Now, if we check the 4-hour chart S&P from here to here, it is easy to see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sequence. Where is the wave 3? We don't have a wave 3. Don't you agree? We have leg up, a retrace, and if here was the wave 3, was going to look like this. Not like this. You see the difference of slope? Well, that is telling that we are going to have a leg down, a 3-wave sequence down. So the market has been making new record highs. It's true. But if in terms of technical analysis, we don't have a wave 3 unless we have it here. That's possible. Because in general terms, I'm bullish. I'm thinking that next year we're going to see the S&P at the 4,000 area or more. But I would like to see, first of all, a leg down, a 3-wave sequence down, to have like a trend refresh. It could go lower. I don't know that yet. But once I see the reversal, I want to jump into the bullish trade. So that's what I'm thinking in the longer term. Now let's talk about shorter term. Here the S&P is likely to make another move up here to the previous wave 3. And if the price comes up here and reverse, that's one of my favorite price action setups. You know, when the price goes to the other side and then a candle closes again below the resistance, old resistance now acting as support. That's a sell, and I leave the stop loss a couple of points above the high, and I start following the leg down, right? But validation is key, not just because the price comes outside here, because what if it explodes to the upside? You don't want to be short. So always when we are looking for a trade, we need to have trying to take it at the market extreme. That's one thing. The other thing is waiting for a proper validation. Of course, having a good analysis. I like to use the Elliott wave theory. And the risk reward should be at least 1-to-1 or more, because managing the risk is key. Now, let's have a look at oil. Oil is trying to start a move up, however, is having trouble. Look, there is a 3-wave sequence so far instead of a 4-5. So that is telling that this is likely to be a connector. ABC for W, first zigzag, ABC for X, and here we can have another one. That's the thing we are seeing right now. We can have another 3-wave sequence in order to complete the leg down. And after that, it is likely to start jumping to the upside. And that will be the wave 3. But first of all, it seems that we need to have another low, a couple of new lows, a 3-wave sequence ABC, before we start finding the entry to the upside. Alright traders, this is a little sample of all the universe of instruments that we daily provide on the Elliott Wave Street membership. Now I want you to visit ElliottWaveStreet.com, click on the membership tab, and here you are going to find all the details about our daily membership. We offer the Forex, the stocks, or the full access service. You can take your first month trial, and then will be $75 per month on the Forex or stocks, or $129 on the full access. You're going to get access to all these instruments. Please have a fantastic trading week, make some good money, and I'll see you inside the membership. Take care. Bye-bye.